What's up, everybody? Today is finally the day I'm doing the Speedo cable on the Skyline. Let's get started. So it looks like this piece broke from in there. This was just sitting behind the Speedo like that. So I'm guessing it broke off from there. So I'm gonna pop this off, and I'll disconnect it at the firewall and then go down to the trans. Alright, so here we're getting the plate mounted up to the firewall for the new Speedo cable. It's pretty easy, just a few bolts, and then have the rest of the harness routed through the clamps and then down to the trans. Alright, so there's the old cable still hooked up to the trans. I got the new cable routed up from the back of the cluster, so I just got to remove the old one, hook up the new one, then bolt it up to the firewall, and then I'll be all good. Wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but not too fun. Alright, there's the new cable. It's keyed, so we'll make sure we get that key right on the trans. And then once we put that in, we'll screw it on. And then we need to get a bracket made, since I don't want to order one and have to wait for it in order to hold it in there. So we'll probably have Dustin fab us up a bracket, and we'll be good to go. Look at that man work. Genius. He got the bracket.
Made the bracket custom for you.
There you go. We're gonna be in business or what?
I think we're gonna be in business.
We don't have to JB weld it on?
Ghetto work like that. Look how snug that is. You gotta hammer it on ever so gently with a large crescent wrench.
Show them.
So I made a simple bracket. Basically, it slides onto this little piece right here and prevents that from sliding out of the trans. Put a little bolt through it. Don't gotta be pretty.